Direct Gulf access waterfront location on Pine Island that includes a 10,000 pounds boat lift and dock installed in 2022. Enjoy the wildlife and fisherman's dream opportunities this area has to offer. This home has an extra storage area located in the Cherry Estates subdivision. This is not a 55-plus manufactured home community in Street, James City. The manufactured home sustained hurricane damage and has been mediated. Roof will need to be repaired. Redevelopment opportunity. Home can be repaired or removed. The dock and lift are in great condition. Seawall. Reinforced April 2022. Great opportunity to live on the waterfront. Being sold as is.